Ever wondered what the best bank account combo is in Canada? The truth is, having one bank to do all your banking transactions, while it might simplify everything, isn't the most efficient way to maximize your returns. Especially when banks are offering super high interest rates right now. You want to make sure you're getting a piece of the high interest rate. So in this video, we're gonna go through 4 bank accounts you should use to get that perfect bank setup. This setup will guarantee you high interest rates, easy access to your money anytime you need it, and rewards for paying your bills. Now for the first account in this setup, or also your main account, should be an account with the highest interest rate possible. This will be the account where you keep most of your savings. Now the perfect bank account to keep most of your savings is Wealthsimple Cash. I know, there's other banks out there offering ridiculous promotional interest rates up to like 6%. But those rates are temporary, cause they're promotions. I mean promotional rates last up to 3 months, 4 months, and then they drop right back down to like less than 1% for a lot of these banks. Look, I'm not saying don't go for promotional offers, but it is a hassle to keep track of when the promotional offer ends. And then you always have to keep track of who has the highest promotional interest rate offers, move your money there, and then repeat the process again. Yeah, you know what? That's too much of a headache for me. So I don't go for promotional interest rate offers. Back to Wealthsimple Cash. First of all, Wealthsimple isn't even a bank. It's a fintech company known for being a stockbroker. However, recently they moved into the personal banking sector and gathered a massive following. Partly because they already had a massive customer base using their brokerage system buying crypto, ETFs, and stocks. And also partly because they offer some of the highest non-promotional interest rates in the industry. I mean, currently the lowest you can get is 4%, but if you apply auto deposit, you can get up to half a percentage more, up to a maximum of 5%. The more money you have with Wealthsimple across all your accounts, the higher your interest rates. For example, if you have over $100,000 across all your accounts, Wealthsimple Cash, stocks, and crypto, you'll get 4.5% interest rates on your Wealthsimple Cash account. Add on auto deposit, that's 5%. So, one of the best features about the Wealthsimple Cash account is the Wealthsimple Cash card, which gives you 1% cash back for all your purchases and waives your foreign transaction fees, essentially becoming one of the best cards to use abroad. In addition, this card acts like an ATM card. Although using this card to withdraw money at ATM machines won't be free because ATM machines will still charge you service charges, usually $2 to $3. Now, an honorable mention for a main bank account to store most of your money is Koho. Just $4 a month, you can get a bank account that gives you 5% interest rates. You don't even need to have $100,000 in assets and have direct deposit to get that 5% interest rates like Wealthsimple. Here's the catch though. Koho's $4 a month, it's not a lot, but let's say you already have 4.5% at Wealthsimple Cash. You would need at least like $8,000 in your Koho account just to break even. Actually, you know what? You're gonna need slightly more because you're gonna be taxed for the interest you get from the banks. So for me, Wealthsimple Cash should be the main bank where you keep most of your savings. Now there's 3 other bank accounts in this combo and each has its own particular purpose. The next bank account, EQ Bank Savings Account. Now first of all, I love EQ Bank. They've been my main bank for like 10 years since my graduation. They usually offer one of the highest interest rates in the industry. Currently offering 4% after direct deposits, so just slightly losing out to Wealthsimple Cash. So because of that 0.5% difference in interest rates, we're not going to be using EQ Bank to store our money. That's Wealthsimple Cash. But what EQ Bank does offer is the EQ Bank Cash card, which allows you to go to any ATM within Canada and get free ATM withdrawals. Like literally any ATM within Canada. Use your EQ Bank card to withdraw, $100, $200 in any random ATM within Canada. They're gonna refund you the ATM service charge. That's a massive advantage, so what I would do is I would keep $300, $500 in my EQ Bank account, and whenever I needed the cash, I'll just go to any ATM within Canada and get my cash for free. Or whenever you need to, just e-transfer your money from Wealthsimple Cash to EQ Bank and withdraw money from any ATM within Canada. Great way to save on ATM fees. Alright, bank account number 3. I reviewed it in the past and didn't like it so much. Because to fully utilize the account, you need to weave your money in and out of the account. And the bank account doesn't even give you interest rates.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
They give you optimum points as rewards. Of course, I'm talking about PC Money. Now, hold on a minute. If I reviewed this account and didn't like it so much, why would I recommend it in this video? Look, I learned from my own videos too. And from you, my viewers, who leave comments down below. Damn, even Asians with Down syndromes are smart. Wait, what? Dude, I don't have Down syndrome? Wait, do I?
Look at this dude. No.
It's possible. I guess I learn something new every single day from my comment section. There are times when I upload a video and think to myself, maybe this bank account or credit card that I just reviewed is better than I thought. Which is the case with PC Money. Now, let me explain. Not going to get into the details of PC Money because you can see my full review over here, but you don't get interest rates for putting your money inside PC Money. Essentially, they give you optimum points for direct deposit. Not going to get into the math here, but it's pretty bad return for the money. So you do not want to put your money inside PC Money. However, there is one thing that PC Money offers that no other banks in Canada offers, and that is rewards for paying your bills. You get 1,000 points for the first 5 bill payments you pay per month with PC Money. That's like $5 in value every month. Look, I know it's not a lot, but might as well get some extra value for paying your bills. Essentially, what I do is e-transfer money from Wealthsimple Cash to PC Money and pay off my credit card bills. Easy $5 a month or $60 a year in value just for paying your bills. Look, a little bit taboo here. I know a lot of people here might not be fans of Loblaw. Like, boycott Loblaws has been trending recently. But listen, the way we're using PC Money here, we're not really even giving Loblaws business. All you're really doing is e-transferring money to PC Money just to pay off your bills. And they're not going to be making money off your savings because you got no savings in PC Money. Money goes in, money goes out, and you get free optimum points doing so. Finally, the last bank account to get that perfect bank account combo will be RBC Day-to-Day Banking, specifically using their value program. Now, very rarely do you need real-life customer service. However, there are times where you might need to talk to a real person at the bank, like getting a bank draft to buy a car. Look, RBC Day-to-Day Banking is a terrible checking account. Most Big 5 bank checking accounts are terrible. But with the value program, RBC Day-to-Day checking account could be free. All you need to do is to get their credit card, use it once every 3 months, just get their most basic cashback MasterCard and get gas at like Petro Canada once every 3 months or something. Cause one of the perks of all RBC MasterCards is 3 cents per liter off at Petro Canada. The next step is to get the RBC investment accounts, you know, TFSA or RRSP, and put $500 inside of it. All other Big 5 banks requires you to put thousands of dollars in your checking account just to waive the monthly fee. RBC Day-to-Day Banking, $500 and a credit card. That's acceptable. Now again, the reason why we use RBC Day-to-Day Banking as our last banking account in our combo is just for those emergency purposes where we need live customer service. Now, requiring live customer service doesn't happen often, but RBC Day-to-Day Banking is essentially the only checking account in the Big 5 banks that doesn't require you to put thousands of dollars inside the checkings account just to waive the monthly fee. So here it is, the perfect bank account setup in Canada. Wealthsimple Cash, where you put most of your savings for that high interest rate. And also, they offer one of the best cards in Canada for foreign purchases, so that's a good bonus. EQ Bank for ATM withdrawals. Essentially, e-transfer your money to your EQ Bank account whenever you need to withdraw money from the ATM. Third account, PC Money, where you pay your bills and get 5,000 optimum points per month. Again, just e-transfer money to your PC Money whenever you need to pay your bills. Finally, RBC Day-to-Day Bank account through the value program. Basically for emergency purposes where you need live customer service, which doesn't happen often. So if you need referral codes or links for Wealthsimple Cash, EQ Bank, or PC Money, links and codes are in the description below. So yeah, that's it for today. What do you think about this list for the perfect bank account combo? Would you add anything? Would you take any bank accounts out? And if you learned something from my video, please consider a like and sub. It helps the channel grow to reach to a larger audience to learn about Canadian personal finance. And if it's your first time here, I make financial tips for Canadians in my long form content and financial comedy for my shorts. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time.